Good everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is April 8th, 2024, and I'll be analyzing S&P ASX 200. This is an update analysis which I'm going to be talking about the key drivers for either a further rally or a correction. Also want to talk about interest rates, and I want to anticipate here that I'm not so sure whether we are going to see any interest rates cut this year, and if yes or not, what are the key drivers for the Fed in fact not cut interest rates, and what could happen with the stock market, especially on positions that we are looking at either as an opportunity or stocks to lock in profit, or stocks that could fall quite a lot as a result of a procrastination of the Fed into monetary easing policy. Let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to buy and sell stocks using BGS 20 strategy in order to chase 20 to 40% profits within 1 to 3 month range of time together with our VIP members. I would like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community. We call that Buy and Grow Sell Strategy for Share Traders. In that community, we post a lot of great quality content, including some stock analysis and some fantastic conversation with our members about potential buying opportunities of stocks trading in buying area. That's all we chase here. We don't speculate too much. We actually buy value stocks that are trading at below buying area. That's the ultimate plan, and we call that entry with perfection. Anyway, let's start with this S&P ASX 200. The best thing really is to come down here on a chart formation and take a look. As you can see here, this is a weekly chart. You can see that we have on a weekly chart an ascendant RSI, which suggests that for the long-term trend, we are into a positive territory. And we had this multi-year breakout, which I have already discussed in the previous video. This multi-year breakout suggests that this what was a long-term resistance level has become a support level, and that is likely to attract a lot of buyers should the S&P ASX 200 index falls towards 7,600. So this is kind of level that we would be looking to buy back if we were trading purely the index. Unless obviously we have a correction and then breaks down towards to this sort of level and then that brings back into a technically discounted price, which is not the case right now. So overall, if we put on a daily chart, as you can see here, we have a multiple higher highs here and higher lows, which suggests that overall, it is positive. Or just be careful in sectors that are highly exposed to interest rates cut, like growth and tech stocks. I think those stocks have already been risen and priced in, and obviously we are looking now at value stock. We made a fantastic trades with Zip, EML, Sizzle, and a few other growth stocks, which we have locked in profits. And now we're looking to where is the value on the stock market. So we're looking for other things like gold stocks, even iron ore stocks and energy. Sectors of the market that have underperformed during the growth stocks and tech stock phase, and that could keep going up as a result of stronger than expected US economy data. And in particular energy sector, as you can see here, I'm going to open up Woodside, for example. Woodside has been trading sideways for quite some time and offering a 22% upside from the current price. This is a stock that has double bottom here, offering 22%, large cap, which has been underperforming. And I've seen most of the analysts talking this stock down and going into Santos, for example, which has already rallied. So just keep in mind, this is a sector that could sort of a hedge against a Fed taking longer to cut rates than previously mentioned. Okay. So energy stocks and others, and then if you look into Brent oil, so you see look at the chart formation. It's been pretty positive if you look into the weekly chart formation, and a lot of analysts are expecting to go above $100 in the foreseeable future. So that sort of works as a hedge from if Nasdaq, for example, start really taking deep correction as Fed interest rate cut delay. Another sector that has been outperforming is gold, and we have been making a lot of money into gold stocks with Remelius, Resolution Mining. As you can see here, we are 43% up on Resolution Mining. We also are about 38% up on Northern Star, and we're holding Evolution Mining as well, which we probably about 17% already. So it's too late to enter now, but all those gold stocks definitely are hold as long as gold prices continues to move up. And that is the case right here, right now. And this is the good thing about gold, because interesting enough, we are into a situation where the market has priced potential interest rate cuts and now are pricing potential delay for interest rates cut, and gold has already rallied. Generally, golds rally after interest rates cut, but we have seen an anticipation, and that's probably to do with geopolitical events like Ukraine and Russia war, or war in the Middle East as well. So a lot of things happening from geopolitical instability, and that could trigger a further rally on gold stocks. As you can see, gold stocks are lagging behind still. Even if you get one of the leading ones to take a look, which is Northern Star Resources, is still lagging behind, has only recently breaking out this hypothetical resistance level, and now obviously this is another stock that we are holding. We could see NST moving up to all times high as gold are trading at all times high, together with Evolution, even Remelius, which is stock that we recently locked in about 26% profit, but we're going to keep holding most of our gold positions for now. We wouldn't be buying now because gold is already at the high, but think this way, and I've seen a lot of analysts talking about that gold itself, it's a much better investment than gold stocks, but what they're looking at now is the fact that gold stocks are lagging behind because they only going to see, those companies are only going to see the earnings upgrade once at the end of financial years, or at every half year, and we will see this effect in FY24 results for most of those gold miners. as gold prices are continues to move high, and they are making a lot of money. Those companies are making huge monies with massive margins from the all-in sustainable cost to the realized sales price of gold in majority of those stocks. So take a look for NST, EVN, RSG, RMS, and many other gold stock. I wouldn't go with Explorer because Explorer won't be taking advantage. This is just a speculation. But producers, gold producers, and that's exactly the same story that happened with lithium stocks last year. The lithium producer are the companies that made huge money, and these companies will make a lot of money as well. So just keep that in mind. So to summarize this video, we spoke about potential delay on interest rate cut, and if that happens, potential correction on growth and tech stock, which includes Nasdaq index in US. Then potential upside, further upside for oil stocks, energy stocks, and then potential upside for gold stocks, and iron ore trading at the low levels, which is more related to China economic data. And currently iron ore has been oversupplied in China. Stockpiles are pretty high, but those companies are very profitable. So looking to BHP, Fortescue, and Rio Tinto as potential positioning as those stocks reach once again technically discounted price. And remember, technically discounted price are levels in which the stock moves under those pink and red lines altogether. That's what we want to be buying. You want to be buying below and not above. As you can see, Rio Tinto, for example, is still trading above this type of level. But if we see another leg down towards $100 here, then I strong support the fact that buying Rio around $100 would be a very effective buy. And that brings our video to the end. So hope you enjoy, hope that adds value to your trading journey. Remember, we are running a VIP membership program, which we have been trading together with our VIP members. And if you become a VIP member, you will have access to all our trades, including our stock analysis, entry details, targets, stop losses, and all the risk consideration for each of the trades that we place. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.